Hi, everyone. Thank you so much, Susan, for introducing me. I'm a research analyst at the Justice Information Research Network and with the Center for Victim Research. And so let's get started. So this session is really about, as we talked about, a data series for you all to learn how to collect publicly available data on your communities. And we're going to focus on two of the resources today. So I just wanted to have this acknowledgement here that this session is supported by OVC, but the opinions and findings and conclusions or recommendations expressed in this presentation today are our own and do not reflect those of the Department of Justice. So today we're going to be talking about the U.S. Census Quick Facts tool, not the EJ Screen Mapper, but the County Health Ranking and Roadmap Health tool. And I'm going to provide you with information about how to use the tool, how you can best use the tool for yourselves, a short demonstration of each of those tools, and then for you to try it out on your own while we wait and any assistance that you need while you're working on the worksheets. So the first tool is QuickFacts, which is through the U.S. Census Bureau. And this tool allows you to gather information about your population, businesses, geographic data from different U.S. states and counties. And it also includes information at the city and town level with an disclaimer that it has to be over 5,000 in the population to appear in the data set. Um, and as I had shared, it includes information about just different social demographics of your community. It provides information about housing, living arrangement, internet usage. Additionally, this tool can provide you information about income levels of the community. And you can really use this information to help you identify demographic composition of your community that can help you serve and target and serve and help with targeted outreach. And also to provide information about the socioeconomic condition of your community that you could put into a grant proposal about the needs of your community and how you are going to best serve them. So that is one of the tools. I will please skip this one. And this is the second tool. It's called the County Health Ranking and Roadmaps Health Data. And I really enjoy using this tool. And this is a really helpful resource for anyone trying to find health data about their communities. It provides a very cool dashboard that I will show you in a couple minutes that you can view the health profile of your community at the state and the county level. And so this data provides you with information about health outcomes, health factors, even policies and programs at the state and the county level. And this tool was developed by researchers at the University of Wisconsin Population Health Institute, and it was supported and funded by the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation. And the data on the tool provides access from 2011 to up to the last year, to 2024. So I will go, I want to stop sharing for a second so I can bring up the screen for the demonstration. All right. So starting off with the quick facts tool. So to get there, you would want to enter in this web page here, the census.gov quick facts. And when you get to the page, you will have a search bar where you're able to put your state, the county, city, town, or even the zip code to be able to search for data about your community that you're interested in. And here in this drop-down menu, it allows you to look at specific information that you want to look at, or you can be able to scroll down through the page to see specific information. So for example, I'll put in Maryland and provides that. let me see, Maryland. And then it provides you with like different cities, counties, but I'm just going to do at the state level. So here you can see that it provides you with the population numbers. It provides you percentages for age, sex, and race and different demographics that you may be interested in. And as I said, you can look at each of these through these little the drop down menu. So if you're interested in looking at like education, it'll provide that information for you so you don't have to like go and search for yourself or maybe computer and internet use. So you're able to just quickly be able to find the information that you want about your community. And also you can compare. So you can have multiple states or cities at the top, and you can be able to compare across and see the numbers. And if you don't want a specific state or a specific county or anything that you had put into the top part where you search for, you can eliminate it and it will go back to how it was, which it starts off with the United States. Or you can clear the whole thing if you would like. So those are just a quick way to use this tool to find information about your community. Another tool that I wanted to show is the county health ranking and roadmaps tool. So as I was sharing that it provides health data. So to get to that specific health data, you want to go to this tab that says health data, and you can be able to look at health data by location. And then it provides you with a search bar and an actual interactive map. So you can be able to click on the state that you're interested in, or you can put the state or county that you're interested in the search bar and it will show up. So for a purpose of this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and use Maryland again. That's where I am right now. And once you click, or you can click the search, or you can click the actual state, it will give you a map of the area and the different counties. You can separate it by cities or even congressional districts. So it'll give you those two options, and you can click which district that you want to look at, or you can just have it as the city breakdown. And so what's really cool is that it provides you with a chart here on the bottom to show you what is considered what is the healthiest area in your community to the least healthiest area in community. And to really understand that, you have to look at the different health outcomes and health factors. So this tab here at the top, you can be able to look at the different health outcomes, which are like length of life, premature death, life expectancy, child mortality, infant mortality, and other different health outcomes that it has. And if you like click on, do, let's do life expectancy. It will change the map to show you based off of what that is for each of the different areas. In like, for example, for Maryland. So you can be able to see how each area compares to each other. You're also able to look at the demographics of the state or of the county. I'll get to that a little bit later, but here is just at the state level, the demographics that it shows, a little bit similar to what we saw in the quick facts for the US Census. So it provides you some of the information there, so you can get it there as well as the quick facts. And then as you continue to scroll down, you can get information specifically about the state. So it gives you the numbers and the percentages, and also lets you compare against the whole United States. Another part of this is the health factors. So this is just like anything related to one's health. So looking at like um, that at your any behaviors that you're participating in. There shows clinical care in the area. So as I was saying earlier, you can see how many providers are located in your area, like the ratio of that and the comparison to the United States. You can see some social and economic factors that are related to health. And so it really provides you like a robust list of different health factors that you may be interested in looking at. And another cool thing is that it provides you with trends. So you're able to see the change over time here. Let me make this a little bigger. Right. So you can be able to see for certain factors or outcomes, you can be able to see the change over time for each of those and how they compare with the United States as a whole. Anything, yeah. And so this is pretty much like all of the information it provides you at the state level for the health. And if you want to look at specific areas in that state, so let's say I want to look at Frederick. And so it will provide you with ability to go look at more data specifically for that county. So for Frederick County, it provides that information. So as you click on more data for Frederick or whatever county that you're specifically interested in, you can click that. And once you get there, it provides you with information like similarly we saw with the state, but at the county level. So you're able to break it out by different years that you want to look at the data. You can be able to look at the demographics for this county. And below here shows a county snapshot. So it also shows you like a quick overview of like how healthy your community is in comparison to all other counties and communities in the United States. And it kind of shows you where you are within that in this diagram right here. And then it also provides you information about the community. So you can look at the health outcomes similar to at the state level, and it provides you health factors. And you can be able to see some of the different trends in the, as it has this trend chart. So you can be able to look at graphs and tables of that and be able to download that. Another cool feature I liked was that it shows you areas to explore or areas of strength. So you can click on that box right there, and it will show you for each of the different health factors, which are like the ones that are the strongest. So they are better in comparison to the whole United States. And then it also will show you some areas to explore that maybe are not doing as well. So like for Frederick, there might be a higher percentage of people who are adult smokers than out of all of Maryland or even out of the US. So it provides you information like that you can be able to look at, to compare, that you can be able to use in reports. You can maybe use to target your own efforts in your community. And it's just a really cool tool. And I'm so happy that the university was able to create this tool, to compile this and create like an easy, accessible dashboard that people can be able to see like what's going on in their community and the health and resources that are available there.
Jasmine, before you leave this page, can
Mhm.
you explore some of those additional factors that are not showing on the screen that people might be
Yes.
particularly interested in?
So yes, it does also provide additional ones that you can like just click that tab and it will open up and show. So here is additional health behaviors or food insecurity, drug overdose, insufficient sleep, additional clinical care. It shows you who's uninsured and other healthcare providers that were in the area. You can see other additional socio and economic factors that weren't shown, and be able to see some if they have this icon, you can be able to see like the trends over time that they've gathered. And also there's an ability to let me go back up to the top to be able to download this information for yourself. So if you have someone in your agency that is able to do analysis, that they can be able to download these data sets that are available, and they provide them by the different years. So you can be able to see, you can get like a Excel spreadsheet that provides you with all this information. And there's resources to tell you like what the different variables mean, so they're able to do the analysis yourself. So this is a really cool tool. I hope you guys we are able to use this, and this is something new that you didn't learn about. So I'm going to stop sharing.
Thank you, Dr. Engleton. All right, folks, now it's time for you to check out these resources on your own and see if you can use them to answer a few questions. We've created a worksheet for you to make this process easy. You can access that worksheet using the QR code or the link on this screen. Once you open that worksheet, you'll see links to the two resources. Go ahead and use that worksheet and the instructions on there to gather a few quick facts about your community. There are instructions on this slide about saving that worksheet for later. Thanks so much for being a part of this session, and good luck with your worksheet.